Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Dairy Queen chocolate milkshake. Start by chilling your tools and measuring ingredients precisely for consistent texture. Blend ice cream and milk in short pulses to avoid overmixing and losing thickness. Taste and adjust chocolate syrup for sweetness, then swirl in a little extra to recreate the rich chocolate ribbons. Serve immediately in a chilled glass with a straw and enjoy the perfect, thick shake. Gather ice cream, milk, and chocolate syrup, plus optional malt powder or vanilla if you like. Measure with a gentle hand. Start with more ice cream than milk and add small amounts until you reach the desired thickness. Keep everything cold to prevent melting while blending. Use short bursts on low speed, checking texture between pulses. Finish with extra syrup drizzled on top for a familiar Dairy Queen touch before serving. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice for your car to keep it smelling amazing while you drive to get ice cream, because life is too short for a stinky car. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by chilling your blender jar and glass in the freezer for a few minutes. Scoop ice cream into the blender, add a small splash of milk, then pulse in short bursts until creamy and thick. Add chocolate syrup gradually, tasting as you go to reach your preferred sweetness. Pour into the chilled glass and finish with a syrup swirl or whipped cream if desired for a classic presentation and mouthfeel that matches the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.